Alright, y'all. I'm gonna do a little cooking video, even though this is not my recipe. This is Danielle. She came up with this, and for all y'all whose kids eat these Takis, I don't like the Takis. But Danielle came up with a recipe for chicken with these Takis that is just great, melt in your mouth. So I'll be back with y'all, let y'all see her ingredients and whatever she does with it and puts it on there. But I'm telling y'all, even though you don't like Takis and you put this on that chicken, it's a total different flavor and it's great. Y'all just have to taste it yourself. I'll be back. So she took the Takis and crushed them in here. And here's the Takis with a little flour. It's just a bag of Takis with some flour. And got a good deal on this boneless chicken. And but I'm telling you, that's all you do. And I do not like them Takis whatsoever. But when it comes on this chicken, I'm telling you, you gotta try it. So I'll be back when she's cooking it. Alright. She's preparing the chicken. And that's all she does. Then she gets ready and puts it in the oil. So she had to come back and add some milk. Usually the chicken's more juicier and she don't have to add nothing to it. So she's adding milk to make it stick better. So you might want to do that or egg. But all her stuff wasn't sticking. So she's adding some milk. Now she dipped it in the milk and you can see it's staying on there better. Watch when this comes out. It's amazingly good. We'll be back. Now look at that. It looks really good. It really ain't spicy either when it comes out. I'm telling y'all got to try this. Make some greens, some rice, some gravy in a minute. My mouth's watering already. Now you know to cook chicken 165, 175, something like that. We don't do that. We just let it look in the center. We know it's done. But it's been on there a while. But getting there. Alright, I got a house full of kids, so I had to come outside and film this real quick. Don't that look good? I'm telling you, you gotta try it. Don't knock it until you try it. It's so good with them Takis and it don't taste the same. But, here we go. Nothing dry, just great. Thank y'all for coming by and watching. I appreciate it as always. Y'all take care. What?